Haroon Rasheed and his wife, Zubaydah, they used to walk in their orchard. So one day, Haroon Rasheed, he left his wife behind and he was running down the track. En route, he found that Bahlol, who was a saintly person, he was sitting and he was making homes out of sand, like sand castles. So Haroon Rasheed said to him, "Oh Bahlol, what are you doing? Bahlol, what are you doing?" He said, "I am making this castle. If you buy it from me, I will make dua that Allah give you Jannah." Haroon Rasheed said, "How much will you sell it for?" He said, 1 dirham. Haroon Rasheed looked at the castle made out of sand, looked at Bahlol, thought about the 1 dirham and said that you are a pagala, you're a madman. And he just walked ahead. Didn't give him any importance. He passed by and then Zubaydah, the wife, came. Zubaydah said to Bahlol, "What are you doing?" He said, "I'm making this house out of sand. Would you like to buy it?" She said, "If I do buy it, what do I get out of it?" He said, "I will make dua that Allah give you Jannah. I make dua that Allah give you Jannah." How much is it? 1 dirham. She gave him importance. She gave the dirham to him and walked away. That same night, Haroon Rasheed saw a dream. And he found himself in this beautiful orchard, beautiful garden. And in that garden was a beautiful home, a house. And on the front door, it was inscribed Zubaydah. So Haroon Rasheed said to the guard that this is the house of my wife. I would like to enter it. And the guard said that in this world, you cannot enter. Only the person can enter whose name is on the door, and that is your wife. So she has to open it. So early in the morning when he woke up, he ran to Bahlol. He found Bahlol sitting there making houses out of sand. So Haroon Rasheed said to him, "What are you doing?" He said, "I'm making houses out of sand." And Bahlol said, "Would you like to buy it?" He said, "Yes." He said, "If I do buy it, what do I get?" He said, "I'll make dua for you that Allah give you Jannah." He said, "What is the price?" He said, "Your entire kingdom." He said, "1 day ago it was 1 dirham and now it is the entire kingdom." Why? He said, "Yesterday it was ghaib and today everything has been seen by you." إِنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَمَاتُوا وَهُمْ كُفَّارٌ فَلَنْ يُقْبَلَ مِنْ أَحَدِهِمْ مِلْءُ الْأَرْضِ ذَهَبًا وَلَوْ افْتَدَى بِهِ. When a person on the other side, a non-believer, when he dies and his eyes of his heart open to reality, he will give everything that this world contains to ransom himself from the chastisement. فَلَنْ يُقْبَلَ مِنْ أَحْدٍ. It will not be accepted. It will not be accepted. Iman, this faith, is accepted when we do not see anything. We do not feel the burning sensation in the stomach when we take advantage of the wealth of a yatim. But once we make it on the other side, a person will feel it. He will feel the burning sensation in his stomach, as made mention in the glorious Quran. Now, when a person connects deeds with positive impact, negative impact, he will take a back step. He will think. And this is what we have to do. This is what we have to do.